In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to your Hostinger Vps. Let's get started smoothly and efficiently, so you can be up and running in no time. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you're set, navigate over to hostinger.com to access their website. On the home page, you'll see the option to log in. Enter your account credentials, your email and password, and hit the login button. If you've forgotten your password, there's an easy reset link right there to guide you through creating a new one. Once logged in, you'll be directed straight to your Hostinger dashboard. This is your control center, where everything connected to your account is managed. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to it. On the left-hand menu, you'll notice several options, so go ahead and click on the Hosting tab to view your web hosting packages. Your VPS should be listed here along with any other services you might have. Finding your VPS in the list, click on the Manage button next to it. This takes you to the specific control panel for your VPS. Here, you'll see all sorts of options like managing your resources and setting configurations. What we're interested in next is the access information. Look for the section labeled SSH Access. This is where you'll find the necessary details to establish a connection. You'll want to note the IP address here. It's essential for connecting to your VPS from your local machine or through a terminal. Also, take a look at the provided default username, often something like root, unless you've changed it. If you've yet to set a password or forgotten it, you can generate a new one with a simple click in this section. Now, to connect through an SSH client, you'll need an application like PuTTY if you're on Windows or the Terminal app if you're using Mac or Linux. Launch your SSH client and enter the IP address you found earlier where prompted. When it asks for your username, input it here, typically your root, unless specified otherwise. Type in your password when prompted. Remember, it won't show on the screen for security reasons, but it is being entered. If you're connecting for the first time, the SSH client might warn you about the server's host key not being cached. This is completely normal. All you need to do is verify that you're connecting to the right server, and then click Yes to proceed. And there you have it. You're now connected to your Hostinger VPS. Keep this connection secure and consider setting up additional users or configurations as needed for enhanced security. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful as you navigate the setup for your Hostinger VPS.